Hello, this is Not the End Crochet, and I'm bringing to you today the next stitch in my left-handed series, and that's the double crochet stitch, lesson 8L. So let's see, got my pink, and I'm going to use this 6 clover. Now usually when I do a double crochet stitch, it's not on the chain, it's on the chain, then single crochet. But I'm gonna try to do this on the chain, see how it works. And some of these steps you've seen before, just follow along. And I'm gonna do about 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's my chain. When you do your chain, be sure and try to keep it straight. Trust me, this will help. Okay, now I'm going to turn and go back down the chain, but in order to do that, I got to establish like a column. So to do that, I'm going to add 2 more stitches. Remember on half double crochet, I added 2 on the end? Well, I'm going to add 2 for this one also. Past the chain. 1, 2. I'm going to go down into the 3rd stitch. Okay, now I'm going to do the double crochet from here. So I'm going to pull in some so you can see. And I'll start out slow. Back it up a bit. Okay. You have to yarn over. And remember I said I was going to do it in 1, 2, the 3rd chain. Go down, insert, pull through 2, yarn over, next loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, next loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. And see, it works on the chain, but it's kind of wobbly. Yarn over, next loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, next loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the next loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's how I look from that side. That's how I look from this side. And I'm trying to watch me looking down at the work. So if I'm too close up, which I think I am, let me back up a little bit. Maybe not so close. I don't want to give anybody fits or seizures. Yarn over, next loop, pull through 2, 2, yarn over, next loop, 2, 2, yarn over, next loop, 2, 2. And I'm going to continue on. And I'm having to go slow, so that's a good thing, because it's kind of cumbersome. I mentioned that on the half double crochet, if you don't have much on the chain or the hook, it's kind of cumbersome to work with. Okay, I'm just going to slow things down. And that aids you because you can see exactly what I'm doing. And if I'm still going too fast, you can always use YouTube's controls to slow me down even further. I would just mute me because that don't sound good. That's all I can say. Start over. Next loop. 2, 2, yarn over. Next loop. 2, 2, yarn over. Next loop. 2, 2. There we go. Getting to the end now. Last one. Okay. There we have it. There's your double crochet. Now I'm going to do 2 on this end, turn my work, and I'm going to go back down. Now I can go, pull this out and show you. I can insert here on the top 2 loops, or the front loop, or the back loop, or behind the next one, but I'll show you that one. That's a front post, or in front of the next one, that's a back post. But we'll get to that. Make sure I find my loop. Here it is. Okay. I'm doing the back loop. My tension is kind of loose. That's okay. As long as you can tell what I'm doing. Hope you can see this. I'm trying to keep it straight in the camera, but that's really not that easy to do. I don't know how some folks do it. I've been doing this steady for like 3 years and I still can't get it straight. A little bit more. Okay, last one, I think. Yeah. Do 2, turn work. Pull off some yarn. Go down one more time. Yeah, tension really loose. I'm not making anything, I'm demonstrating. And we don't want to aggravate my arm, so I'm going to play it loose. A little bit more yarn off. Okay, I'm almost at the end. Just pick it back up. That happens. There we go. I thought I tied it in a knot. Okay, I believe that's it. Yeah, it's real. The tension is really loose. Okay. Still, even though the tension's loose, it's not bad to look at. It's pretty good. So that's how you do a double crochet. Very versatile stitch within the crochet basic stitching. I mean, you can like do 2 in a post. You had a V-stitch. You do 3 in the same post. You have a cluster. Granny cluster, I believe that's what it's called, the proper name. Very versatile. Hope this helps.